This presentation will demonstrate the Managed Virtual Desktop solution as designed by the AHIS Desktop team. In these demonstrations, we will log into a device and launch several applications. We will then suspend that session and demonstrate the ability to roam to a new device that can be on any network. You should see all applications reconnect on the new device at the place they were left. The hardware used for these demonstrations: 2 WISE Thin Client clinical workstations with passive proximity readers attached, an Apple iPad, a Motorola Xoom Android tablet, a Dell laptop PC, and an Android phone. For this first demonstration, we will log in via proximity card and PIN number and open 4 applications: EMR, PACS, a mainframe application, and Microsoft Word. We will then disconnect via the proximity card. First, we'll begin by swiping the proximity card, then input the 4-digit PIN code. You will now log in and be presented with a desktop. Now we manually launch Microsoft Word, an EMR application, and PACS.
We really had more of a question in regards to, I noticed with the Smart Step that there's no way to reroute the installation to another drive other than the C drive. And I was wondering if there's a way around that.
As I drag the applications around, make note of window position on the screen. I'll also open up a mainframe application, Now I will utilize the proximity card to log out of this device. In this next demonstration, we will log in via proximity card and reconnect to the VDI session in the last demonstration. Using the proximity card, we will then log into a second workstation and the entire session will automatically roam. First, we will begin by swiping the proximity card, then input the 4-digit code. You will now log in and be presented with a desktop. As you can see, the applications previously launched are returned to where they were left off. Now, without logging out of the first device, we will swipe our proximity card at the second device. Then input the 4-digit PIN code. You will see the previous workstation log out, while the session automatically transfers over to the device on the right. In this next demonstration, we will connect to an existing VDI session, this time on an Apple iPad device. First, we will log in to the Apple iPad device, launch the Citrix Receiver iPad app, and launch our published desktop. You will now see a Windows desktop reappearing, and previously suspended applications are automatically being reconnected. In this next demonstration, we will connect to an existing VDI session, this time on a Motorola Xoom Android tablet. First, we launch the Citrix Receiver Android app and select our MVD server environment, and then launch our VDI published desktop. You will now see a Windows desktop appear. Here, previously suspended applications are being automatically reconnected. In this next demonstration, we will reconnect to an existing VDI session, this time on a user's personal home computer. First, we open a web browser to the public MVD page and log in. Then we select our published desktop. You now see a Windows desktop reappearing, and once again, previously suspended applications are being reconnected. In this last demonstration, we will reconnect to an existing VDI session, this time on an Android phone. First, we launch the Citrix Receiver Android app. Select our MVD server environment, and launch our published desktop. We need to log in with our user credentials. You now see a Windows desktop reappearing, and previously suspended applications are being automatically reconnected. While the screen size is very small, applications can still be manipulated with a fingertip. Thank you for viewing this Managed Virtual Desktop demonstration.